Dada Sham. This lovely and melodious Meera Bhajan reunites us all to God. The soulful and heart-rendering bhajan was beautifully rendered by Bhakti Madam and accompanied by Sarang Sir on the tabla and Frankie Sir on the piano. It is indeed an auspicious beginning to mark this epic day. It all began in 1933 when our beloved Sadhu Vaswani founded the Meera movement in education. This was the great vision of our beloved philosopher saint, the Meera movement. It is solely dedicated to the empowerment of women through the right type of education, and rightly so, Sadhu Vaswani mission and the students of Meera movement draw inspiration from Saint Meera's message of dignity and dedication, self-assertion and self-surrender, to follow a path of love and courage, service and sacrifice, guided by our beloved Dada J.P. Vaswani. To mark this momentous occasion, the teachers of Sadhu Vaswani International School, Pune, present before you a glowing tribute to our beloved Dada Sadhu T.L. Vaswani. While touching hearts and eliciting emotions, poetry surpasses all barriers, including language. The feelings shared by our teachers for our beloved Dada in Sanskrit, German and Marathi truly touch our hearts. Hear them out.
There is a Sanskrit Subhashita describing our revered Sadhu Vaswani and our Dadaji. मनसि वचसि काये पुण्यपीयूषपूर्णा त्रिभुवनमुपकार श्रेणिभिः प्रीणयन्तः परगुणपरमाणून् पर्वतीकृत्य नित्यं निजहृदि विकसन्तः सन्ति सन्तः कियन्तः. A saintly person whose heart blooms in such a way that it is full of the nectar of compassion, who is always engaged in helping the mankind in this world, who praises even the smallest virtue of another to the size of the mountain and remains happy at all times, are rarely found. Dada Sham.
तुका म्हणे योगी सर्व काळ सुखदाता, या युगी पाहिला हा साधुदाता. यशवंत कीर्तिवंत असा हा गुरु, जाहला योगिया बहुजनांचे आधारू. दुःख क्षालन होते जनांचे, ऐकता वचन देखता रूप साधूंचे. मनी वसे परिमळ भक्तीचा, साधूने दाखवला पथ ज्ञानाचा. ज्ञानदीप लाविला हा जगी, अखंड राहू दे हीच प्रार्थना साधू चरणी. दादा श्याम.
There is a German quote: Der Schlüssel zum Erfolg ist Kameradschaft und der Wille, alles für den anderen zu geben. That means the key to success is companionship and the will to give everything for the others. Just like our Dadaji's teaching, give, give, and give. To be happy, make others happy.
Moving further, our teachers share their heartfelt feelings, illustrating through their poem love and gratitude for our beloved Sadhu T.L. Vaswani. Let's hear them.
A life that never gave up, his passion for benevolence, a friend to man and animals without a hint of arrogance, a man with far-sightedness, a vision so divine. He inspired thousands with nature so benign. A blissful soul, he was revered and great. Dada, with your blessings, let love reinstate.
We have always followed the footsteps of our revered Dada, Sadhu T.L. Vaswani. In his teachings reflect the motto of our school, molding minds, awakening hearts, cultivating character. On behalf of our school, I pay our tributes to our beloved Dada. One and all in one, all that is. Dada, a mystic, a sage, a poet. To love was all he did. Love, forgiveness and acceptance is his message to humankind. Your love ripples to all. You taught us, Dada, to love is to provide. Life is not about what you gain. Life is about what you give. As we keep learning and living under your great tree of wisdom, we shall always plant seeds of service. Sowing hope and light, we thus build our kingdom. Dada Sham.
Thou art the light divine, who lit the darkest corners. Thy spirit, innocent and pure, kindled love in others. Thou spake the pearls of wisdom, so pure, so profound. Thou art a sight to behold, a knight uncrowned. Thou hadst the purest intentions and actions that resonated alike. Thou touched 1,000,000 lives with love you would strike. Dada, thou art the epitome of love, who filled the world with glee. In all humility, I bow down to thee, I bow down to thee.
My poem titled Messenger of Love is my humble tribute to our respected Sadhu T.L. Vaswani. He is truly called a messenger of love. He had the vision of open heaven and Holy Spirit like a dove. I hear him say, spread love everywhere you go. Let the patience of garden in you always grow. Peace begins with a smile. Enjoy the moment of happiness for miles. Let us all follow the path of his teachings, and we all kneel down to thee to seek his blessings. Dada Sham.
We conclude our offerings with a prayer dance, a Vandana, depicting spirituality and devotion. This dance is set to a mellifluous Meera bhajan. That was indeed graceful and so exquisite. As Dada taught us, love and service are what the world needs the most right now. We pledge to follow your footsteps, Dada, blending academics with character building and spirituality, with faith and determination, promoting peace, love and reverence for one and all. Happy Foundation Day to all of you. Dada Sham.